warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Amalia Maulidina. In this time, I'm going to explain about CIELT-E ICT-Based Instruction e-learning. The effects of ICT-based learning on students' vocabulary mastery in junior high school by Zakir Hussain English Education Department, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. So guys, do you know what is ICT? ICT is a broader term for information technology (IT), which refers to all communication technologies like internet, computer, wireless network, and software. And then, do you know what is vocabulary? Vocabulary is the essential aspect of learning a language. Is learning vocabulary. Also, vocabulary is called a basic for the development of the other skills, for instance, listening, writing, reading, speaking, pronunciation, and spelling. And then ICT in education and EVL classes. By introducing computers in schools, now computers are as a part of ICT accepted as an efficient means of acquiring knowledge. In EVL classes, the teaching and learning cannot be done with the text alone. Like the EVL teachers use ICT tools for preparing teaching materials such as pronunciation, vocabulary, listening and speaking, grammar and communication skills. Technology can afford changes for mindful teaching and learning environment which can affect students' motivation, critical thinking, and independence, and give more opportunity. And then the uses of ICT in language teaching vocabulary. We have 4. The regular class using the need as a research resource, website projects, and real communication. The regular class. The teacher should hold a regular class with the availability of computer and internet. The teacher can download English material and deliver to the student. And second, using the net as a research resource. Students should be given the opportunity to research and while working, they can have the note and next day it provides students feedback. The third, website project. There is a website project and students are writing their essay and the teacher check in the class. And the student will use the computer and the internet to email their works to the project site. And the last, real communication. Students always like to email their job, which is called K-PAL. They can do this with their friends in abroad and communicate about their culture to use modern word combination and exchange cultural information. And next, the uses of ICT in language teaching vocabulary. Vocabulary is the important part of learning a language and has a meaning of a new word in emphasis in books and classrooms. Data engagement propose 10 strategies how to teach and learn vocabulary without using technology, but I did some strategies. First, learn from visual displays of word and relationship with text. Second, take a digital vocabulary field trip. Next, connect fun and learning with online vocabulary games. And then have students use media to express vocabulary knowledge. And then take advantage of online word reference tools that are also teaching tools. And the last, support reading and word learning with just-in-time vocabulary reference report. And then students can follow the different methods in learning vocabulary in the YK. First, schools should supply the information included, the context and the meaning. Students should be engaged and should have given enough time to learn the word. And the last, students should have many disclosure by practicing and reviewing the word. Students should have a conversation about the meaning of the word. The conclusion of this material, the first is the findings and discussion of this study applying the media to the junior high school students could improve their vocabulary mastery. Second, learning vocabulary through YK is proven effective to provide students an alternative of vocabulary learning media, which is online and meanwhile creating joyful learning activities in the class. And the last, the implementation of ICT-based learning using YK is significant in teaching vocabulary for student vocabulary mastery in EPS junior high school. Okay guys, that's all my presentation and explanation. I hope you enjoy and understand. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.